In this video, I'm going to teach you a really simple YouTube SEO method that's going to allow you to hijack other people's video traffic in your selected niche. And I'm going to be using my own live data to show you that this method actually works. So if that's something that you're interested in, stay tuned. So this method is what I like to call the hijack method. The way this method works is pretty simple. You would optimize your video so it will appear in the suggested bar of other videos which are very similar to the video that you've created. But the theory side of this sounds really good, so let's go ahead and jump into my YouTube analytics and show you a video that I'm currently ranking #1 on YouTube, and then I'm going to show you the breakdown of, what I've actually done in order to hijack other people's traffic. Okay, so here I am on YouTube, and when you type in HTML email signature, my video right here from my Marty Englander YouTube channel, which only has around about 1,800 subscribers, is ranking #1 on YouTube. And you can see it's actually a very competitive search phrase that for some reason, whatever I've done, I have managed to achieve #1 rankings. Okay, you can see that this video has had over 83,000 views with a ton of engagement and positive reaction. But this didn't come just by doing one thing. This actually came by hijacking other people's traffic. And now I'm going to jump into my YouTube analytics and show you what I'm talking about. So here I am on my Marty Englander YouTube channel, and this is actually the analytics of that one video I just showed you that I'm ranking #1 for. So if we scroll down under traffic source, this will actually break down all the other videos that are currently suggesting my video in the suggested bar. And if you're not sure what the suggested bar is, if you go onto a single video, this right here is the suggested video bar, and this is where YouTube will suggest other people's videos that's very similar to your video. So what you can see is you've got a whole bunch of information in front of you, but you can see right here it says how to install a HTML email signature in Outlook 2016, and this, if I hover over it, actually links us to this video right here, which is someone else's video. Now my video has appeared just from this video alone 12,880 times. You can see under the impressions tab. Now I've had a click-through rate of 5.2%, which means that I've hijacked over 800 views just from this video. If we move down, you can see again that this video, which is how to add a sexy signature in Apple Mail, my video has appeared in the suggested video tab for this 11,295 times, and I've only had a very small click-through rate of just under 2%, but that's still giving me an additional 307 views. And as you can see, as we go down, it just keeps on going. What you'll notice that over time, the graph is actually showing a slight increase, and now it's probably showing a bit of a decrease because I've stopped optimizing this due to other profitable projects going on. But I wanted to show you what I've been doing, especially around about this period here, where it did start to incline. So what I started doing is very simple. I would take the title of that YouTube video, head over to my YouTube video here, and in the tag section, I would just very simply paste the tag right here, like you can see. So I would literally just take every single title which is giving me high impressions and a high click-through rate and paste it into the tag section right here. Now I wish I could say there was more to this method, but there isn't. It's that simple. Once you've got a video that's already starting to get even a couple of views, all you really need to do over time is start looking at that data that you've got in your YouTube analytics and just start taking all of the video titles that are getting the most impressions for your videos and just add it into your video tags. And the reason why this works is because those videos are getting lots of traffic. When we copy and paste that title into the video tag section, it's basically saying, hey, our video is related to that video, people will like it. And because it is related to that video, people are likely going to click on it, which in turn gets us more impressions, more recommendations, and more views. The next video is about using video SEO and how you can drive traffic generated by your video SEO to your website. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video, because I release daily video SEO tips and tricks showing the individual or the business owner how they can grow online. And with that being said, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.